What's going on, fellas? Thanks for tuning in again. We're out here in Baytown, Texas today. Gonna see if we can get on some fish for y'all. Do a little how-to video. Gonna be throwing some shrimp under a popping cork, maybe a little bit of artificial. And we're gonna try to stray away from some of our regular spots and go venture off into this marsh, man, back here behind Thompson's. But y'all stay tuned. And make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe. We'll catch up with y'all in a little bit. Got him. Yeah, a little sand trout. Nah, it's a little speck. Got him. They all small, man. Alright guys, we're working up under these birds, see if we can't pick up something. We hit a couple already, but they seem to be pretty small. That one felt decent. He just bit hard. Jesse got a big one. We got a little casualty, y'all. He's all right. He didn't get hooked, I don't think, huh?
Nah,
he just wrapped up.
Wrapped up. Wrapped up pretty good.
He's just mad.
Yeah. Trying to get it off him though. There. Twisted right here. Alright, she free.
Alright guys, we're back here in this marsh. We'll try a little bit of shrimp under a popping cork. And work it against this grass right here, man. We saw a lot of bait jumping over here. Saw a few boils. Try to see if we can get on some of these redfish. You got it?
Yeah.
You feel solid?
No.
A little rat?
He's coming to the boat, whatever it is. Little fish.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them.
Alright guys, so we came over here and busted a drip.
I got eyes in the back of my
Mr. Francisco over here, put me on these trout. That's the key.
I can take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood, my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite, feeling I can take hard roll, I could go.
Jesse got him a nice little drum. That's a good eater right there, dog. Yeah, you need some help with that? That's all we got right here, just so y'all know what we doing. We out here drifting. Got a popping cork, 20-pound leader, split shot, and a size 6 treble hook. Just hook these shrimp right here through the horn, right above that black dot. And we're gonna cast it out. And when you cast it out, put the wind to your back. That way you can get some distance. And just pop it and wait. Get a few pops and wait. Got another one, guys. Something, you seen that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, we drifting over something right now. I hope so. Yes, sir. Alright, guys. Look like we might be on a little slot red right now. There he is. He there. Yes, sir. There we go, guys. Nice little 22-inch red. She gonna go in the box. Let me show y'all something too. Whenever you catch these redfish, right behind this fin, just stick your finger in there, and she gonna bleed out. And then all your fillets won't be as fishy, man, once you bleed them out. All right, guys, so we just drifted one time and we got 2 nice trout and 2 nice reds. So we're gonna turn around and we're gonna drift right over that same area again.
So, and when you turn around, what you want to do is make sure you kind of go real slow so you don't disturb the fish that are there in that spot. And you kind of want to go off your line about 10-20 feet and just kind of take your time and go back up and then spin the boat back around sideways, broadside. And you want to let the wind just take you, and you want to cast downwind. Don't cast upwind. You want to cast back downwind.
Downwind, and you get more distance.
Yeah, and the reason we try to do that is because the fish, you know, we're trying to touch the water that the boat hasn't went over. So since we already went over at one time and got 4 fish, we're gonna pull the second drift, same line, and then we'll be back with y'all to see what we do on the second drift.
Yeah, we on one, fellas.
Just drifting.
Came over here to drift to a different spot. Oh yeah, nice. She'll eat.
Drifting over these fish, man.
Jesse hooked up. You need a net?
Yeah.
He went under the boat. Yeah, come around. Come on.
Come here.
Oh man. They feisty today, boy. There we go. There for a minute.
Nah, I was getting my snack out. I didn't want to.
What you got? Trout? Nice trout. Yeah. We got a video for y'all today. Yeah, this is a trout, dog. Go ahead and drop that power pole. Ah! She had it in her mouth and the kids came in. Y'all stay tuned, because I'm going to make some Cajun redfish with some green beans and some dirty rice. I don't know. What we got, fellas? Nah, that's a sheepy, ain't it? That's a sheepy for dinner, dog. Oh, it is a drum. Damn. I wanted a sheepy, man. Yeah, he'll eat.
Redfish?
I don't know. Yeah, another drum. Nice little trout, dog. Better keep. All right, fellas. So we already knew going in it was gonna be a little windy today, but we grinded it out, man. We still got on some fish and was able to put a little video together for y'all. We'd end up with what, 2 nice redfish, a couple drum, 4 trout. But yeah, don't quit, man. It just goes to show you, man, whenever it's hard, just keep grinding and try different things, man, and you'll find them. Anyway, this is what we ended up with. But anyways, man, hopefully y'all like the video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and go ahead and ring that bell. That way, each time we post a new video, man, y'all will get a notification. Y'all stay tuned, man. Wintertime's right around the corner. It's about to get fun. Take it easy. All right, guys, this is basically all you're gonna need right here. I got a couple different little Cajun seasonings and some chupacabra rub, 1 pound of ground beef, some Savoy's dressing mix, some jasmine rice, some green onions, some white onion, garlic, butter, some almonds, and some green beans, and your redfish. Dice you up an onion and saute them onions till they're golden brown. All right, guys, make sure you season that ground beef till your ancestors tell you to stop. I don't do measurements, man. I just eyeball it. All right, guys, I'm already done cooking that ground beef, and now I'm cooking down this Savoy's dressing mix. You just want to cook it down till all that juice gets out of it. Cook it good, man, because ain't no telling what's in that mix. All I did was just cook up some white rice. I added that Savoy's, and now I'm going to add that ground beef too. All the ground beef, Savoy's, green onions, white rice. Just mix it up. Chop you up some garlic, real fine, and some green onions. Next, I'm sauteing these onions to the green beans. Next, add the green beans and just let them saute in there. We're gonna get them sweating. All right, this is the 3 seasonings that I'm gonna use on these green beans. Chupacabra rub, and the Goya adobo, and salsa Maggi. All right, so just season it up real good with those 3 and stir it up. All right, you wanna add that garlic last, because you don't want it to burn while you're trying to cook these green beans. You just finish it off at the end and just saute it a little bit. Ain't nothing worse than burnt garlic. Then finish it off with a little bit of butter right at the end. Then top it with some sliced almonds. Alright, I showed y'all how to bleed that redfish earlier. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this meat's pretty white because we bled it out. And I also like to cut the bloodline out just because, you know, it kind of gives it a strong flavor. Now we about to season it up. Alright, I got it all seasoned up. Those are the 3 that I used right there. Y'all can use whatever you like, that's just what I like. But don't be shy with it, man, because once you get to moving it in that pan and all that butter, a lot of this is gonna come off. That's about right where you wanna get it. And then melt that butter in there, baste it with that butter, and then hit it with a lime right at the end. I'm gonna baste it now. It's hard to do it with the camera in my hand. All right, here you go. Redfish, black it with some Cajun seasoning, some green beans with some sliced almonds, and sauteed onions, and some dirty rice. What you think? Yeah, baby. It's about to go down.